insane.
Is it not working then?
No. No, it's just flashing. So the right screen is just flashing grey, off and then grey, and the left screen is working normally but also flashing on and off. Not ideal.
What's the shame?
So round two. Right, sadly goggles were faulty on the first one, so done a quick swap and yeah, go through all this up again now, hopefully get flying by lunchtime. Right, so the battery's charging, I'm back in an hour.
Hello, right, well, bit of a false start there. So yeah, problem I had with the model that I used in the unboxing, sadly the goggles weren't working, had a bit of a flashing grey screen. DJI chat basically said yep, it was faulty. So anyway, thanks to Heli Guy for sterling turnaround there, and here we are with a new one. So I have unboxed it again, updated the firmware again, ready to make my very first flight, and it genuinely is my very first FPV flight. Only time I've ever done FPV before was a couple of years ago when I unboxed the Parrot Mambo. I don't think that was a very fair example of FPV flying. So anyway, let's see how we get on. UK law unfortunately means you do have to have a spotter, so I do have Stu, my mate, spotting with me today. So yeah, let's get this thing off, and Ted's spotting as well. Right, let's get going. Right, it's not exactly the most attractive of setups, but there we go. Right, so remote on. And the main drone's starting up. So, no SD card. I did put an SD card in. Okay, might have to have a slight reset. There is definitely an SD card in there. So, oh yep, there we go, it's found it now. 56 minutes.
Have you closed the...
Oh yeah, good point, good point. That's why it's good to have a spotter. Okay. Take off with caution.
Ted's not heard this one go off yet, has he?
No, a bit noisier this one. I can see me doing a lot of lifting up to look at the remote. Let's have a look. Right, it's a shame I can't copy what's going on inside the goggles here at the moment, unfortunately. I'm going to find a way to do that, but at the moment, no. So, 17 satellites, we're good to go. 98% battery. 0, right. Check, we are in normal mode, yes. Start recording.
So when the goggles are down now,
yeah.
You've got them, what are you seeing? Is it literally...
I'm seeing the camera, I'm seeing the camera view, so it's pointing that way so I can see the camera and Ted. And I've obviously got all the telemetry, so I can tell that I'm in normal mode. I've got 0 height, 0 distance, 98% battery, no flying time, and remote control and goggles good. Signal and 18 satellites and 89% battery on here. So I recall there's a setting, take off. Yeah, and I can actually go through the menu by using this 5-directional button. So
down again to me.
There we go.
You've obviously got a red button there.
Yeah, that's recording. That's recording inside the goggles. So right, control, camera, record with both. Okay, I think that's it. I think maybe it is actually. Auto record on takeoff. There we go. That's what I want. I like that. So now I can go back. Right, I reckon I'm ready. Okay. So, I want to see it first of all because he's got a lovely little okay, very whistly little. That's going to annoy your neighbours, I have to say.
It's a lot noisier than the other one.
It is. So we've got 3 modes here, normal, sports and manual. I'm not going to go into manual because that is the 87 mile an hour top speed, and the controls are very, very different. End of the day, this cost over £1,000. I don't want to really trash it on my first flight. So for today I'm just going to be playing around in normal and sports mode. Sports mode still goes up to 60 miles an hour though, so it's going to be easily fast enough for me. This is going to be very different as well. Somebody said I should sit down, but anyway, let's have a look. So I've got all the obstacle avoidance along the top telling me I've got obstacles there. Here I am. So you also see the propellers zipping in from the side when it's stationary, but you can tell that this drone is designed to be flying at quite a steep pitch, and when it's flying at a steep pitch, the single axis gimbal will be pointing up and you won't get the props in. Right, enough chit chat, let's take off. Right, I've got to see it as I take off. I can't, I'll do that when I'm up in the sky. So I'm going to go over the field at first. So right, now I'm up high. I'm going to put on the old gogs and have a little look at what I'm seeing. Whew, okay, I need to sit down. This is not going to work for me otherwise. So,
does it give you any kind of motion sort of sickness? Or?
I'll tell you in a second. Right, let's get going. I mean, what's mad is when you turn your head, what you're seeing moves with you, which that in itself is pretty strange. So let's have a little look. Okay, surprised it's a bit slow in normal mode. So what I might do is just knock it straight into sports mode. Sports mode, obstacle avoidance unavailable. Right, let's go.
You're descending.
Yep. Let's go up. Okay, mad. Of course, when you turn around, it's like being on a on a motorbike. Okay, that's cool.
One happy bird there.
That's cool. That's crazy. Oh God, yeah, head spinning a bit. Right, past the tree. Whoa, okay, right, there we go. That was the tree. Unhappy birds, fly little birds, fly. Tree, tree, tree. Okay, the obstacle avoidance, that was good. You still got, even though I'm in sports mode, it warns you. Tell you what, this is a whiny little drone. I'm going to be pissing off my neighbours. Okay, the obstacle avoidance, very good. Okay, that's very, very good. Because when you're coming up to that tree, it does warn you. Okay, this is like riding a bloody race car. It's massive, it's great. Turn round, turn round. Ooh, I've lost connection, don't know what's happening. Okay, that's bad, isn't it? But I'm behind the house, that's the issue. So it's gone into fail-safe return to home. I've re-established contact. Press the brake button to cancel. Okay, well, let's do that then. Right, you can hear him, no doubt. So now I am on 50% battery, so I'm not sure how much I've been flying, but it does not seem that fast. So, right, let's get recording again. So I've got to press my little button here. There we go. Right, recording again. Down we go, and off we go. That's cool. Whee! Okay, so this is here we are. .28 meters per second we're flying at now. Ooh, God, it's very hard to judge the distance above the trees. Okay, right, so when I do that, yeah, okay, makes sense. Let's turn it around, go down, and off we go again. Right, telling me of the trees, that's fine, thank you.
I can't believe the speed it's going at.
It's mad, isn't it? Right, I've got to watch out because that's there. So again, over there, it doesn't like being over there. I think, am I in front of the tree or something? Could be this tree. Right, let's just come around here. Okay, what's happened now? He has gone into... Oh, it's low battery return to home already. So what do you reckon? How long have I been flying?
Not even 10 minutes.
Not even 10 minutes. Lordy Lord, that's not so hot, is it? Admittedly, it's on 22% battery. So if I go up, see, you can go up. Yeah, it does. There we go. So what am I now? I am 58 meters high and I'm right above us. So that's one thing, you can't look down. That's a real difference. So the gimbal only goes to about minus 50 degrees and plus 50 degrees. So here he comes now. I'm buggered if I'm going to try and hand catch this one. So let's just see how we do. Precision landing, but he doesn't look like he's going to land on the table. He's going to land, I'm going to land him on the grass. No, Ted. You see, this is it. Let's try and land him on the table. There we go. Got to watch out for little Ted. Always, yes, mate, you. All right, let's go down. Right. Okay. First flight, didn't crash. Surely that's got to be good. Seriously, I've seen enough crash videos on YouTube to be a bit worried. So yeah, okay, as a non-FPV flyer, I've actually flown the Mini and certainly the Air 2 in a little FPV style. Some of the endings and some of the other videos, you'll see me zooming around the trees quite happily and cutting it quite close and swinging around the trees. So as long as you are pretty much focused on the view, then yeah, it's a very different sensation though. Just getting used to the fact you turn your head but your whole world turns with you, that can be a bit unsettling. That can make you feel a little bit dizzy and you want to sit down, to be honest. The speed, bonkers. Yes, I was in sports mode. Disappointing, 10 minutes flight time there, tops. So thanks for the 20-minute battery time, DJI. Although I know that they do say that's coasting along at 40 kilometers per hour. And I was certainly doing a bit faster than that. Top speed 60 miles an hour. That's what's going to be knocking on the door of 100 k's, 100 kilometers per hour there. So that's how you're going to eat up the battery. But look, anyway, my first thoughts are insane, fun, crazy bit of kit. Can't wait to go inside and have a look at some of the video on the big screen. And it is a shame that I can't yet. I'm going to have to stick a camera up against the goggles. It's the only way I can show the telemetry and everything, the display of the app that's going on. I'm going to try and find a way to do that because that's going to make life a lot more interesting for you.
A little bit disappointed to have lost signal twice. The only thing between me and where it lost signal was a couple of trees. So yeah, yet again, OcuSync is generally good, but trees always seem to stuff it up. Anyway, look, there we go. Very quick video today. Just wanted to, as I say, give you my thoughts on the very first flight. Got to go and charge the battery now. Glad I've got 2 more batteries on order coming up, because yeah, 10 minutes, thanks Ted, 10 minutes flight time, and then what, about 45 minutes to waiting to charge it up. That's not going to be a lot of fun, is it? But anyway, happy boy at the moment, hasn't crashed, flew fantastically well, insanely fast. This is very much a drone for the open countryside. Yeah, anyway, we'll see how the journey goes. Anyway, look, as ever, you like this, give me a little thumbs up, really helps the cause. Hit sub, ding dong, get notified each time I put something out. But for now, off to have a bit of fun with this over the weekend. Until next time, you have fun, happy flying.